There are five things that I would like to highlight about the birth experience that we had. The first thing is about the homely environment that we experienced here. The first thing was Dr. Vijay always told us that remain at home when you are in early labor. So that is what we tried to do. Early labor we spent at home, and we tried to do all the things that we had learned in the Lamaze classes, and we were very well prepared to deal with the early labor, and we were not at all disturbed, we were not at all scared or anxious when labor started. It was a very smooth, natural process, and both of us turned our house into a very cozy, warm environment. We kept it that way. We lit candles, and we through contractions we danced together, and so it was an amazing experience at home. Then finally, when the contractions started coming 5 minutes apart, I called Dr. Vijaya, and she said, yeah, you can come over. So then we came here, and the best part was here also we found the same environment that we had created at home. There were dim lights, and it was early morning, so everybody, they were very supportive, and Kiran was with us, and otherwise the lights were dim, and the kind of music that we liked was played, and whatever made us feel comfortable, that was encouraged. So this is something that I don't know if we would have got any other in any other place. So that was one very special thing. The second thing was the support that I got from my husband and my family members, my sister. The kind of preparedness that they had was all because of the Lamaze class that we attended. Initially, when I started coming for the antenatal visits here, I was not very sure about the Lamaze class. I was like, do I spend this much money on a class? And there were these doubts in my mind. However, after we attended the Lamaze class, it was a completely different experience, because we got to know so much. The entire perspective to childbirth changed, and we got to know we got to know the power of a woman's body. We felt very confident, and it was not about the small nitty-gritties. It was about the overall impact that it had on us. So that was very important, and it was probably the most important part of our entire experience. So the Lamaze class, according to me, was a game changer. It was the thing that empowered me and empowered us to actually become very positive and very confident about natural birth. And whenever I discussed with any of my friends, family members, that we are thinking of a natural birth, and I had a C-section before this, everybody would be stunned, and they would be very scared, and they would think we are mad, or we are taking a risk with our health. So that was the kind of attitude that people had, and probably we also had before we came here. But after we attended the Lamaze classes, everything changed. We watched videos, and we saw how women through ages have labored and delivered their babies, and they felt so empowered, and the kind of experience that they had, all these things, it changed our mind. So this was one very important thing, that the support team, my husband and my family members, became empowered as well with me. The third point that I would like to highlight is the confidence that was given to us by the Healthy Mothers team, and the attitude, the energy, the vibrations, everything. It was so positive. Every time I came with a doubt, every time I was scared, I was not very sure, Dr. Vijaya would just sit, and she would just spend half an hour with us, just dispelling our anxieties and tensions. So that is one very important thing, and this is I think a very important psychological uh, uh, thing in human beings. If we keep on saying I can't do it, I can't do it, I can't do it, it's very probable that I will not be able to do it. But if I keep saying, or somebody whom I trust keeps saying, you can do it, you can do it, you can do it, you can do it, then probably no matter how difficult the job is, you will be able to do it. So this is something that is very, very important, and this is something that Dr. Vijaya, she does it amazingly well. So she will just enthuse you with so much of confidence that even if the task is Herculean, you will be able to sail through. And that is what happened with me. I had a very, very long pushing stage. It was a 5-hour pushing stage, which is considered very, very tiring, very long. But it's been 1 week that I have delivered, but I don't remember anything. I just remember the encouragement. I just remember her patience and all the support I got. I do not remember the fatigue or the long pushing stage. I don't remember anything. I just remember the positive things. So, and that is what she does to you, and this is something that I would like to highlight. That was one of the highlights of my birth experience. The fourth point that I would like to talk about is other strategies that we got to know from the Lamaze classes mostly, and also from our research online about how to deal with labor. This is something that women, we are just told labor is painful, labor is normal birth is painful, it is difficult, but nobody tells us that there are ways in which normal birth can become nice, it can become enjoyable, it can become manageable. These are things that we are never told. So this is something that happens at Healthy Mothers. You're told and you're taught, you get to know, and you are encouraged to find out about the positives of childbirth, and what are the positives, how you can manage the pain. I don't know, I don't know if I experienced pain as such, but the pressure, I could call it the contractions, whatever. So there are ways in which you can manage the contractions so well that you don't even feel they are painful. So these are certain things that women have done since time immemorial, but nowadays we are never told that these are things that can be done. There are alternatives available. There are things that we can do to empower ourselves. So this is something that happens here at Healthy Mothers, and this is something that I did not find any other place. And since it was my second delivery, and first time I delivered at a very reputed hospital in Hyderabad, I didn't find it anywhere else. So many of my friends have birthed at so many other prestigious hospitals, big hospitals, but we've never encountered anything like this. Finally, the last point is about the Healthy Mothers team and Dr. Vijaya. After my birth experience, I felt very humbled, and I felt it is a kind of service that the Healthy Mothers team is doing for modern women like us, who otherwise would have again landed up in an operation theatre. And and it's not just about the birth, it's about the entire experience. These 9 months have changed me and my family, and we have a different perspective to life altogether. It is about it is not just about the birth, it is about an entire attitude change that we have undergone. And the Healthy Mothers team here, they don't care for you because you are paying 50,000 or 60,000 or 70,000. When you go to a hospital, a very, very big hospital, they'll behave nicely with you. It's not that people will misbehave with you, but the Healthy Mothers team here, the kind of care that they give you, the kind of attention, the kind of support, everything that is provided is not because you are a patient, you have a number here for them, because of the respect that they have for the human body, and probably, and for the human, for the woman. And it is the kind of the trust, the respect, the faith in the woman, is it just comes through, and they are so confident about it, and that energy, that power, it's something that you just feel. It's something you cannot express in words, but if you birth here, you feel that, and you grow in that energy. That energy just also helps you grow. So this is something that's very, very unique to this place, and I consider myself and my family very, very fortunate that we were able to birth here, and our son arrived on earth in this place amidst loud kirtan and chanting of names of the Lord, just like we wanted, and the kind of care that Dr. Vijaya took to save me from any cuts, stitches, tears, was something that I cannot express in words, because 5-hour long labor, it is very likely that I could have had an assisted birth or something, but Dr. Vijay was so patient, and she kept on applying hot compress, oil massages, and so she took complete care that I would not tear, I will not have to have any stitches, because that was the thing I was most scared about. After birth, what? So much of pain, stitches, how will I recover? So these were the concerns that I had, but she took so much of care that I didn't have any tear as such, and so in conclusion, I would like to say that this experience has changed us in such a way that for our entire life we will always look back at this experience as one of the most wonderful experiences of our lives. And we already have 2 kids, but this experience has been so great that probably we would not mind having more kids. This is something that Healthy Mothers has done to us, and now I know how our grandmothers probably had 10 kids and they never, we modern girls, we feel 10 kids, it's unimaginable for us, but after birthing here, now I know, okay, 10 kids are possible. So that is on that note I would like to end, and now Krishnan will.
From day one I felt that Healthy Mother, Sanctum, all the stuff, they are doing a service to the society rather than playing the role of a mainstream birthing center where they admit mothers as patients and then get the delivery done like any other surgery or any other illness. So that is something which kind of made me feel that I was kind of lucky to come in contact with Healthy Mother team and get our baby here. So and that's why I feel that all the expecting parents out there, they should visit this place and interact with Dr. Vijaya and her team. So they would, and they can also visit I guess your website where they can get a lot of information, and then they will find the difference once they come here, and I can vouch for it that it will be a wonderful experience for all of them, like it was for me. And definitely I would recommend that everybody should attend the Lamas class, because that is something which helped me prepare for this birth of our second child, uh, uh, I even did some kind of a revision just before coming to the birthing center on the delivery date, just to make sure that I know what I have to do and what is my role. So throughout the delivery, I kind of remained calm, and I believe that she can do it. Like, that's one of the Lama's philosophies, that the mother can do it, and ultimately the mother will do it. So my role is just to support her and to make sure that she doesn't fail, she doesn't feel left out, and she's not scared, and she is motivated. So that's not a small role, and I did my best. So it's thanks to the Lamas class and all the videos that were shown to us during the classes, where we saw one particular birthing shooting there, where the husband was kind of very always with the wife, and dancing with her, and helping her cope with whatever pain that she was feeling. So I got inspired by that, and I tried to emulate and replicate that when my wife was going through her early labor, or during the transition as well. So it's all because of the education that we received during the Lamas classes, and also the encouragement that we have received throughout all our interactions, be it the classes or the checkups. So that was like she just said, that it was a life-changing event for us. We had our first baby's birth at one of the renowned hospitals in Hyderabad. But when I compare that with this experience, I wish that we were at that point of time, we didn't know about this place. That was one thing, and wish that we had that birth here as well. So that is one thing, that but whatever happens is for good. Maybe because we had not so happy experience that point of time, so we took some extra effort in looking for alternate options. So that's how we came to know about Healthy Mother, and we are lucky. So thanks to all the support staff here. They did a fabulous job, and a special thanks to Dr. Vijay.